Struggling to price your services competitively while still earning what you're worth? In this video, I'll show you the smart strategy for setting your Fiverr gig pricing to attract clients and build a sustainable business. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Pricing is one of the most challenging aspects of freelancing. Set it too low and you'll burn out, too high and you might not get orders. I'll help you find that sweet spot that works for both you and your clients. First, research your competition thoroughly. Look at other successful sellers in your category with similar experience and quality. Don't just copy their prices. Analyze what they include in their packages and how they structure their pricing tiers. Create 3 clear package levels: Basic, Standard, and Premium. Your basic package should be an affordable entry point that covers your core service. The standard package should be your most popular option, offering great value. The premium package should be for clients who want your best work with all the bells and whistles. Calculate your true costs including Fiverr's 20% commission, your time, software expenses, and any other business costs. Your prices need to cover these expenses while still providing you with a reasonable profit margin. A crucial pro tip: use psychological pricing principles. Instead of $50, consider $49. For premium packages, use round numbers like $200 instead of $199. This subtle difference positions your higher tiers as premium offerings worth the investment. Include clear value upgrades between your packages. Clients should easily understand why your standard package costs more than basic, and premium more than standard. Highlight the additional benefits, faster delivery, or extra features they'll receive at each level. And just like that, you've created a pricing structure that attracts clients at every budget level while ensuring you get paid fairly for your work. Smart pricing is the foundation of a profitable freelance business. If this strategy helped you set better prices, please give it a like. What's your biggest challenge when pricing your services? Share your pricing questions in the comments below. To continue optimizing your gig, subscribe for our next video on how to write a compelling Fiverr gig description. Thanks for watching.